Good evening, everybody. My name is Michael Lamar. This is my brother Dave, and together we are the Lamars. And yun nga sabi nila na we're from ABS and we were from Idol, and we're actually on TV5 right now, and we're under MCA Music. And so right now we're gonna open the program for you guys and kakanta kami. Hope you like it. Thank you.
So, thank you for coming tonight, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the evening. And meron po din kaming YouTube, we do YouTube videos and stuff like that. So, wanna check that out, the Lamar Bros. Ang dami pa itong videos. So, I'll be singing one more song for you guys, and hope you like it.
Sa'yo na hindi magbabago at kahit na anong bagyo Nagyayabang lang sa inyo. Pag-ibig ko sa'yo, ito'y totoo. Wala nang iba. Ikaw at ako lang ang nasa isip at panaginip. Pag nakikita ka, sasabihin kong nawawala. Ikaw na nga ang dahilan kung bakit ang saya ko ang wala. Kahit kanino ay hindi ko ipagayabang. Kung namahal ka, subalit hanggang puno sana. Kahit ganito lang ako, simpleng tao na ipagyayabang lang sa'yo. Ang pag-ibig ko, ang pag-ibig ko, ang pag-ibig ko. Thank you.
Have a good night.